Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for probability. A bag contains of 10 counters, of which 7 are green and 3 are white. A counter is picked at random from the bag, and its color is note. The counter is not replaced. A second counter is then picked up. Find the probability. So my suggestion is to have the tree diagram. So where we have green one for the first pick, or W1 represent the white. Next, kindly state the probability where we will have 7 over 10 if the first counter is green in color. And we will have 3 over 10 for the probability if the first counter is white. So next, kindly refers to the second counter or the second pick where we have the situation green or white. Repeat the situation. We may have green for the second pick and white. So kindly find the probability for the G2. So where we will have 6 over 9. So meaning that the probabilities of green 2, given that the first counter is also green. Where we have the formula, the probabilities of green 2 intersect with the green 1, given that the probabilities of the first counter is green 1. Next, we have 3 over 9. The probabilities of W2, or we said the second counter is white, given that the first counter is green. So we will have the formula, the probabilities of white 2 intersect with the green 1 over the probabilities of green 1. Next, we have the situation 7 over 9. Means that we have the probabilities of green 2 given that the first pick is white in color. The formula will be the probabilities of green 2 intersect with the white 1 over the probabilities of white 1. Finally, we have 2 over 9. The probabilities of white 2 given that the first pick is also white. So the formula will be probabilities of white 2 intersect with the white 1 over the probabilities of white 1. So here we have the tree diagram. So kindly refers to the question. A, the first counter is green. So where we have the first counter is green and the probability will be 7 over 10 or 0.7. Kindly refers to the question B. The first counter is green and the second counter is white. So the first counter is green and the second counter is white. So here we have the situation. So kindly refers to the tree diagram and we have the first, second, third, and fourth. So by referring to the situation, kindly refers to the number 2 where we have probabilities of W2 intersect with the G1. So kindly cross multiply the situation where we have the probabilities of W2 given that the first pick is green in color intersect, or we can say multiply with the probabilities of G1. Kindly substitute the value where we have 3 over 9 multiply with the G1 where we have 7 over 10. So simplify the situation. So the probabilities of G1 and the W2 is equals to 7 over 30. Kindly refers to C. The counter are of different color. So kindly list out the possible situation. So the probabilities of green 1 intersect with the white 2 plus the probabilities of white 1 intersect with the green 2. So here we have the counter that are different colors. Kindly refers to the situation number 2 and number 3. Kindly cross multiply the situation. So where we will have the probabilities of W2 given that we have green 1 multiply with the probabilities of green 1 plus refers to the formula number 3. We have the probabilities of green 2 given that the first counter is 1 multiply with the probabilities of W1. Kindly substitute the situation. So we will have 3 over 9 multiply with 7 over 10. Plus, next refers to number 3, where we have 7 over 9 multiply with 3 over 10. So as a conclusion, the answer will be 7 over 15. So here we are, and thanks for watching.